Ashley from Naughty Tree Reviews, and today we are unboxing Nadine West for whatever month we're in. I don't know if this is January, December anymore. I don't even know. We're gonna open this up. If you're not familiar with this styling service, it is a monthly, bi-monthly. I think you can get it every time you ship it back. They'll ship you a new one. Styling subscription that kind of doesn't charge you at all. There's no styling fee, but you do pay a shipping cost that can be applied to anything you decide to keep. So if you keep something, essentially it's free. I like this one because it's a little, I'm sorry, I have a cold and my nose is running. Sorry. So I'm gonna touch all these clothes. Anyway, you're all gonna be annoyed at me at the end of this video. It comes in this bag and you ship everything back in this bag. See this guy that I ripped off by accident. Oops. You pull this off, you ship it all back inside this bag. The postage is paid, all that good stuff. So yeah, the last few I've gotten are hit or miss. So first up, we're just gonna get in it, and then I'll go over the prices at the end. Here's a pair of, what are these, like gaucho pants. These have that like a linen vibe to them. They're actually cute. I actually really like these. Depends on price though. I'm extremely price conscious. And so what I usually do in these videos, if you haven't watched before, I am going to tell you down in the description box what I kept. And then at the end of the video, I will insert pictures of me and everything. I will not do that in this video. I will try it on after and then insert images, let you guys know what I kept. So then we have, oh, this is cute. This is from Yaletti. They include a lot of this blouse is super cute. I don't know how I feel about the size of it. It's kind of big, but I do like this kind of like organza, crepey material. It's pretty. I like the color too. I don't hate it. Sometimes I'm like, I don't want to wear that. This is from Zanana. It's a big oversized shirt, but it is really soft. And I like this color. It's very nice. So that's cool. Cool. All right, then we have, this is from Sheila Rose. Another they really send a lot of oversized shirts. I feel like I missed the boat on that. I'm not really into it. But I'll try them on. And sometimes I'm surprised the things that I would never pick up in a store, or the things that I'm like, I would never gravitate towards that if I was out shopping. I put them on and I'm like, oh, wow, I really like that. So, I mean, that's something really good about this. Kind of gets you outside your comfort zone. All right, then we have a gray, and I love gray. This is a long cuffed shirt. Like the sleeves are cuffed. This is long. Like this would come down past my butt. You know, it would be like a hanging around the house shirt, cleaning, maybe, I don't know, grocery shopping. Not a fancy shirt. Usually everything comes wrapped up, but it looks like everything fell out of that one. All right, the one thing I don't like about this is that you cannot not get jewelry. Like you have to get jewelry. So here's what I guess is a bracelet cuff with a blue stone, like a cabochon type stone. I'm not a fan. I have enough jewelry. I just don't need any more. You know what I mean? So I don't want it. All right, here's a shirt that I don't like. Like, ugh. And it has a pocket. Ugh. I don't know. I don't like that shirt. Sorry. Not sorry. Oh, more jewelry. All right, so we have another, what appears to be a bracelet with a clover and a horseshoe on it. Kind of cute. And then this is, who the hell knows what this is? Oh, earrings. Like chain link earrings. I wouldn't wear those. All right. Oh, these are cute shorts. I have a pair quite like this though. This is actually cute. These are really cute. All right. So here they are, and then they have a cute little skinny belt with them. I think these are very like clean looking, very like polished. I like it. Not hating that. Don't go anywhere, you stinking belt. All right. Here is what appears to be a dress from Zanana. This is a long. These dresses are hard for me because I'm not tall. So when a dress is really long, it risks making me look really little. Like I'm wearing a really big. Not a fan of this color either, as like I have redness on my face and I like to kind of tone that down. It does have. does have pockets though, which is nice. So I don't think that is a for me item. All right, so my final item is these cool, like, relaxed looking pants. I don't know what this like pattern is called. I think it's like called Galaxy Knit, but it's not knitted, so I don't think it's actually Galaxy Knit. And they do have a tie on them. This is from a brand called Sheila Rose again. And these do have pockets. That's nice. So there's that. All right, let's get to I have like a tickle. It's like tickly. Don't worry, I have my sense of smell and taste and all that good stuff. I'm good. It's not COVID. It's just a cold. Okay, that stinks on ice. There's no sheet that tells me the prices. What kind of joke did Nadine West play on me this month? There's no price sheet. Oh my gosh, I'm not even kidding. I was like, oh, I'll look back in and it'll be there. Yep. So anyway, I'll have to insert that down below. I'll have to look on the website and kind of tell you guys. It's funny because I always complain that those aren't helpful. However, I use them in the videos and now I'm wishing I had one. So kind of joke on me type thing. Anyway, I will link down below to my full review on my blog. I'll also insert images. I will also let you guys know prices and what I kept down in the description box. So you can see me in everything right